Yo, what's up, guys? I hope all you're doing fine, great, and safe at your place and enjoying your quarantine and doing some productivity. I really hope that you're not turned to some lazy person and just getting weight by eating some, resting, all. So, yeah, my last video that I did using only one color red, that I really enjoyed it because it gave me some time out from my day-to-day life, my daily routine that I did, and plus it's been like a long time that I didn't try anything traditionally. So yeah, it was like something different, and I really enjoyed it. So I thought that I might give another try to it, but by using only blue color this time. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get to it. Let's start at the video and let's check out what kind of shades do I have. And yeah, let's go. So yeah, that's it for today. And if you enjoy the video, give a like button, subscribe the channel, and check out the link to my Instagram handle or my other platform that I use. So yeah, let's get together, let's get connected, and let's try to do something more productivity in life. If you want me to do something else, something new with art stuff, so just leave a comment down. You can inbox me, DM, whatever you can. So that's it from my side today, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Till then, stay creative to creation, and this is artist Criz, and don't get fat in this quarantine. Please do something. Bye.